Welcome back to my channel Math School. In today's video, let us solve the question number 3 from exercise 2.4 chapter 2 triangles. In my previous videos, I have completed the theorems 2.1 to 2.6, exercises 2.1, 2.2 and 2.3, examples 1 to 9 and questions 1 and 2 from exercise 2.4. If you have not watched these videos, do find the link in the description box below or click the I button above. So now quickly let us begin with the video. Question number 3 from exercise 2.4 chapter 2 triangle says in figure 2.44 ABC and DBC are two triangles on the same base BC. If AD intersects BC at O, show that area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DBC is equal to AO by DO. So this is the figure given where ABC and DBC are two triangles on the same base BC. So this is the common base for two triangles ABC and DBC. If AD intersects BC at O, so AD and BC intersects at O, we have to show that the area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DBC is equal to AO by DO. Now if you observe here what we have to show, here we cannot apply the theorem 2.6, that is area of similar triangles, because the ratio of area of any two given similar triangles will be equal to ratio of square of their corresponding sides. But here AO and OD is not a side of triangle ABC and DBC, right? So first we will find out here the area of triangle ABC and area of triangle DBC, and then we are going to find out the ratio of areas of these two triangles. To find the area of any given triangle, we know that area of triangle is given by half into base into height, but here there is no height given. So we have to do a small construction. AO and OD is not the height or altitude given. So we will draw two altitudes which will be perpendicular to the base BC. So let AE be an altitude which makes a 90 degree with the base BC in triangle ABC, and let us draw another altitude DF perpendicular to base BC in triangle DBC. So these two altitudes make a 90 degree angle with the base BC. So let us write down the construction. Draw AE perpendicular to BC, AE perpendicular to BC, and DF perpendicular to BC. So now let us consider triangle ABC and triangle DBC, and let us find out the area of ABC and area of triangle DBC. So write down area of triangle ABC is equal to half into base into height. So in triangle ABC, which is the base, it is BC, right? So write down BC into height is AE. That is what we took as the perpendicular. Let this be equation 1. Similarly, let us write down the area of triangle DBC, which is again equal to half into base is again BC into height, or the perpendicular is DF. Okay, so let this be equation 2. Now according to show that since we have to find out the ratio of area of triangle ABC and area of triangle DBC, let us divide 1 by 2. So divide 1 by 2. So we will get area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DBC, which will be equal to half into BC into AE divided by half into BC into DF. So here in the numerator and the denominator, half will get cancelled and also BC and BC will get cancelled, and we are just left with AE by DF. But if you observe in what we have to show, the ratio of areas of triangle ABC and DBC is equal to AO by DO, but here we have got result as AE by DF. So now to make this AE equal to AO and DF equal to DO, so which is the triangle formed by these two sides, since we have to make AE equal to AO and DF equal to DO. Triangles formed by these two sides, that is a triangle AEO and triangle DFO. So let us consider these two triangles and let us prove them to be similar. So if we prove them to be similar, then the ratio of the corresponding sides will be equal. So AE by DF will be equal to AO by OD. So let us now consider triangle AEO and triangle DFO. So write down in triangle AEO and triangle DFO. Here you can observe that angle E is equal to 90 degree and angle F is also equal to 90 degree. So let us take this as angle 1 and angle F as angle 2. So we can write angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and that is equal to 90 degree, right? So angle 1 is equal to angle 2, that is a 90 degree angle. And also if you observe, we have an intersection here. I've already taught you that if there is an intersection, then we have vertically opposite angles formed. This is angle 1 and this is angle 2, then angle 1 is vertically opposite to angle 2. Similarly, angle 3 is vertically opposite to angle 4. So here again we have an intersection formed. Therefore, we can say that these two angles are vertically opposite angles. So let us name this as angle 3 and angle 4, which are vertically opposite. So write down angle 3 is equal to angle 4 because they are vertically opposite angles, right? Now since two angles of triangle AEO and DFO are equal, therefore we can apply angle-angle similarity criteria and say that the triangle AEO is similar to triangle DFO. So by angle-angle similarity criteria, we have triangle AEO is similar to triangle DFO. Okay, now since these two triangles are similar, then the corresponding sides, the ratio of the corresponding sides of triangle AEO will be equal to triangle DFO. So write down, therefore, which are the corresponding sides? That is AE by DF will be equal to AO by DO, AO by DO, and that will be equal to the third corresponding side, that is EO by FO. So let this be equation number 3. Now if you observe, the AE by DF is equal to AO by DO. So here we can substitute that AE by DF is equal to AE by DO. So if this is equation 3 and this is equation 4, then write down, substitute 4 in 3. Therefore we get area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DBC is equal to, instead of AE by DF we are writing AO by DO, AO by D. This is what we had to show, right? Area of ABC by area of DBC is equal to AO by DO. So this is very easy and simple problem. If you have any further doubts, do comment me below in the comment section. In my next video, I'll be solving question number 4 from exercise 2.4, chapter 2, triangles. So till then, do like my video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell button below to get the latest updates of my videos, as I'll be completing the whole syllabus for class 10th SLC NCERT Math. And also do watch the related videos of chapter 2 triangles shown on the screen. Thank you.